Today I have two Cartier unboxing for you guys. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have Cartier unboxing for you and I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm not gonna beat around the bushes. I'm gonna start unboxing right away. But before I proceed, if you're into luxury, if you're into fashion, if you love handbags, because I am definitely handbag lover, I do love jewelry, but handbag is absolute passion for me, please consider subscribing to my channel. I never thought that I'm gonna buy Cartier jewelries, and not only because it's really expensive, something like that, you know, well-known design was never on my wish list, but I got it and I'm so happy. And today I have two unboxing for you, and one I got it brand new from the Cartier boutique, and one I got it from Fashion File, but I got it full package. So let me start with the unboxing. So first, most likely I'm gonna show it to you like the usual stuff that you know it's always comes from with cleaning kit from the boutique. Also my essay give me this little gift. Let me just unbox it together with you guys. Oh. And it's a gorgeous Cartier stationery that you can write obviously some kind of notes, thank you notes, etc. Absolutely gorgeous. So happy that I have it in my collection. Not sure if I'm gonna even use it. I feel sorry for using this one. It's absolutely gorgeous, so keep it right there. And I got two items, and it comes once again with the travel pouches. Each of these items, I'm gonna keep the travel pouches right there. It comes with the certificates, and I'm gonna show you later on each certificate separately. This is Cartier receipt. That's how it comes from the boutique. And I have two items, one in a large box and one in a small box. And obviously the reason that I got them together, because you know that they go together. So let's unbox. So right there, and voila. So I got myself a Juste Clou ring in yellow gold. Let me just focus. So I got myself a Juste Clou ring, just a pure Juste Clou ring, no diamonds, nothing, in yellow gold. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. And I did unboxing before because my camera sometimes is finicky and I don't want to risk it, so I took a video of removing actual packaging from the boutique before that. And here is the ring. Absolutely love it. I got it in the size 55, and it can go in on several fingers. It can go on that one, it can go on this, It can even go on my thumb. There you go. Like, let me put it this way. So it can go on my thumb, absolutely perfect. It can go also on my left hand. So absolutely love it, absolutely love it. So you can see that I got this, and I definitely want to have it in a yellow gold. And when I was in the boutique, I tried several bracelets, and I'm gonna put all these videos right now. You will see that I tried yellow one, I tried in a white gold, I tried with the diamonds. Absolutely gorgeous, love it. But I know for a fact that I want to get also much in Juste Clou. But if you watch my video, the handbags that I sold this year, I recently sold several handbags to Fashion File. And one of the handbags, I decided to get a store credit, because in this case I could get 10% more, and buying for myself Juste Clou from Fashion File. And I was lucky enough that this item came along in excellent condition, and it comes full package. So it comes also with the certificate, obviously with all the boxes, the travel pouch, etc. So there you go. There you go, guys. And this is the Juste Clou in yellow gold. My bracelet from year 2017, and it's a new style of lock. So let me just put it on and I will show to you. There you go, guys. So let me just focus. There you go. So that's how it looks like, the bracelet and the ring together. And I have obviously lots of room, so if I need to stack it with the different bracelets, I still have enough room to move around. And or even if it just by itself, it's absolutely gorgeous. So now that I'm done with unboxing, I want to just talk a little bit about the sizing. And always people are confused about the bracelet sizing. So, and I'm gonna show you right in front of you my wrist. And the measurements of my wrist is right there. You can see it's about 16 inches. And normally everybody is saying if you have, let's say, sorry, not 16 inches, 16 centimeters. And everybody is saying if you have 16 centimeters, it means you have to go one size up for the love bracelet. And that's what I tried in a boutique, about 17 love bracelet. And they said for the Juste Clou, you should go one size down. But when I tried Juste Clou 16 at boutique, and I'm gonna once again put the video, you can see obviously it sits perfectly, but it sits just right here. There isn't really much movement. And I thought if I want to get something, I want to get it not just for today. I want to get, for later on, God knows what, if I gonna gain a little bit of weight. I don't want to be just limited to very little, like, room to grow. So my size, as per recommendation of the Cartier, should be 16, but I actually got it 17, and I don't regret at all, because once again, as I said, I can build up, with many other bracelets, and I have that room for movement. So there you go, guys. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate, let me know. And once again, I forgot to say, this is the regular size of Juste Clou, not the smaller version when you don't have opening mechanism. This is obviously the larger one. I took the weight measurements, and it's about 33-34 grams of gold, pure gold, and the ring is close to 8 grams of gold. Maybe I'm gonna do also separate video when I'm gonna actually put on the weight machine and show you how much is weight on this bracelet. So that's about it, guys. That's what I got from Cartier this year. Extremely excited. Oh, I totally forgot to show you the certificates. So this is the certificate for the bracelet that I got from Fashion File. and the bracelet was purchased in year 2017, and it's actually in absolutely perfect condition. I don't see a single scratch on it. And this is the certificate of my ring that I got it from the Yorkdale, Toronto boutique. So there you have it, guys. To Cartier unboxing. So happy. I'm absolutely so happy with this purchase, and as I said, I can stack it up with so many other bracelets. In fact, I'm thinking of the Cartier Clash. I really love that collection. It's a new one, but currently it's only available in pink gold, and I prefer the yellow gold more than the pink one. So there you go, guys. Thinking also maybe potentially love bracelet, but in a thinner version, because I really don't like something that I cannot remove it, or too much hassle to remove it. So that's why I definitely love Juste Clou. Very easy going on and off, and I love the design because it's absolutely gorgeous, so unique and gorgeous. And for some of you, but I think all of you know, Juste Clou's, it means just a nail. So that's about it, guys, for today. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will greatly improve my chances of improving my channel. If you like my channel in general, please consider subscribing, and I guess I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.